Good evening, and tonight it's homemade butter. Incredibly easy and fail-proof.
Hello everyone, I'm back and tonight I'm going to show you how to make butter in your Thermomix. So the first thing we need is some double cream or whipping cream. You put the butterfly whisk in, so like I said before, find the highest blade, put it at 12 o'clock, 5-2, clicks in nicely, start cooking. Insert butterfly whisk, which we've done, place 500 millilitres of double cream in the bowl. There we go. I've let it go a bit past its best, so I'm going to make it into butter. Waste not, want not and all that. I think it went out of date on the 27th. So, there we go. Then just put the machine on, insert measuring cup, 1 minute, speed 3.5. I'll see you then. So it jiggers around a bit as the buttermilk separates from the whey. So that's what we've got now. So I'm just going to give it a couple more seconds, and then the most important part of making butter is rinsing it. So I'll show you how to do that. The next thing is to take out the butterfly whisk and set that aside. And then strain the contents of the bowl through the simmering basket, keeping both the whey and the buttermilk. And then we just want to squeeze that. And you can use the buttermilk for making scones or Irish soda bread or anything that you would. And then we just need to put this under cold running water and strain it. I'll show you when it's done. So here is the finished product, and I'm just going to pop it in some waxed paper, and this is where you can add your flavourings or salt, whatever you fancy. We like salted butter in this house. You could add garlic and parsley, you could add pepper. Options are endless. So no more wasted cream after a party. Even if it goes off, you can make it into butter. See you next time.
Thank you as ever for supporting me, and from me it's night night. See you tomorrow.